Hey, what's up, DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking key fobs today. We're going to show you how to replace the battery in a key fob that belongs to a Chrysler, Jeep, or Dodge vehicle. Let's get started.
All right, DIYers, in front of us on the left-hand side is the key fob. On the right-hand side is the replacement batteries. We purchased Energizer 2032 lithium batteries, and those are 3-volt batteries. At this point, I changed camera angles. Here's the key fob, and up near where the ring is, you will see a little push button. Go ahead and push in on that and simultaneously pull the key out. And inside here, you see little grooves that you can insert the key in and pry that portion of the plastic cap upward. Now, it's going to be very difficult still at this point to remove this plastic cap. So what you want to do is put the key about halfway back into its slot that it came out of, and you are going to use that as a slot or spot to pry this open as shown here. Just like that. And here's what it looks like. There is that slot that I inserted the key in, and again used it as a point where I could get more force to pry these two parts apart. Inside here is your battery. From here, take note of how the battery is positioned. The positive sign up. I've got my Browning Buckmark knife, carefully insert it in that little groove or slot right there, and get that battery right out of the key fob. Set that aside, grab your new battery, and you will notice it goes in at an angle, and push it in place as shown here. Again, the positive sign up. From here, go ahead and grab the cover cap, and I like to insert the bottom portion first and snap it in place. And make sure it is snapped in and secure, meaning flush around the entire edge of the key fob. From here, carefully insert and secure your key until it clicks, and that is it. Go ahead and head out to the vehicle, test your unlock, your lock, your hatch door, both your side doors if you got it, as well as your remote start.
That's it, DIYers. As you can see, pretty quick, friendly DIY project. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.